Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about top guest bedroom design mistakes and how to avoid them. If you love to play host and often fancy yourself as an amateur hotelier, then you will want to know exactly how to avoid these most common guest bedroom design mistakes. You need to make sure that your guests have a comfortable and relaxing stay by steering clear of these guest bedroom design mishaps. When coming up with the perfect sleeping space for your visitors, you'll be sure to come across a number of bedroom ideas. But knowing how to turn them into reality and not falling for the common mistakes is a different game altogether. A guest bedroom needs to be a warm and relaxing space for your guests to retreat and relaxing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The most common mistake that I've seen a lot of people make is not providing their guests with a cozy bedding. A well-dressed bed will lure your visitors to their slumber and give your room a boutique hotel vibe. Layer up throws and blankets and opt for statement cushions as a finishing touch. If it is a particularly cold season, keep extra blankets in a basket nearby so guests can add more layers if they feel chilly. You want to know your guests are in for a comfortable night's sleep, so not only you want the bed to look good, but feel good too. Knowing which mattresses are the best ones to buy will ensure that your visitors are lulled to sleep in an instant. Homeowners often forget to add an armchair to their guest bedroom. An armchair in your guest bedroom provides a space, not only for reading but also a place to keep clothes too. Often, a bulky wardrobe isn't needed in a spare room unless you have guests that tend to stay for extended lengths of time. So an occasional chair can be the space-saving answer that you're looking for. You don't need to furnish your guest bedroom like you would do to your main bedroom, so think carefully before buying large bedside tables and wardrobes. Putting aside empty cupboard space for guests who are only staying for a weekend and keep their belongings in a suitcase anyway. Sometimes there is no need to unpack for an overnight stay, so it may not be the practical thing to do. If you think you could do with the extra storage space for keeping books or other knickknacks, bedside table ideas are a great one to look into. Another mistake to avoid in your guest bedroom is ignoring to put in a wall mirror. If your guest bedroom is mostly used as a home office or chill-out room for the kids, a mirror can be overlooked as an essential. But not only will your visitors appreciate having a place to check their appearance, it will also help to open up the space and bounce natural light around the room. A rug is an essential when it comes to your guest bedrooms. Comfort and luxury are a top priority for guests, and so you should avoid flooring that is uninviting and cold. Instead, opt for a flooring such as carpet, which is soft underfoot and sound absorbing to help guests relax away from the hustle and bustle of the rest of the house. To create a cozy ambience, think about adding a range of lighting options. While a ceiling light is great for illuminating the whole room, having some low light, side or table lights will help to achieve a cocooning space. Wall as well as low-level ceiling hung lights are not only a space-saving option, freeing up small bedside tables for your guests' belonging, but create an attractive symmetry to the room too. When it comes to lighting a guest bedroom, think about cozy aesthetic. Soft mood lighting is key as a way to wind down and relax. Achieve this with bedside lighting, which can also double as a handy task light, providing proficient lighting for tasks such as reading a favorite book in bed. If you're aiming for something different, try a bedside wall lamp or even a pendant. When it comes to a guest bedroom, never shy away from a headboard. Don't be afraid to choose a more outlandish style of headboard, as this only adds more character. We no longer need artwork in bedrooms when we have a headboard shaped to elaborate perfection or upholstered in a bold patterned fabric acting as a piece of artwork itself. Headboard ideas are great for boutique level hotel vibe in your guest bedroom. When decorating your guest bedroom, never opt out of curtains. Flooring to ceiling bedroom curtains are a luxurious window dressing that will help insulate the room, block out direct sunlight, and frame your windows beautifully. They also make a great room divider if you want to hide away your home office space or gym equipment. Opt for blackout curtains if they are covering windows, but you can get away with unlined if they're just zoning a space. One of the biggest guest bedroom design mistakes that you can make is not measuring your guest bedroom before ordering the furniture to fill it in. A common mistake when looking for modern bedroom ideas is to get carried away with the overall aesthetic and ordering the furniture that you love, then face the problem of trying to fit it into your space when it arrives. One of the most common guest bedroom design mistakes is ignoring the storage needs. Even if your visiting guests don't need a place to store their things, you might need bedroom storage ideas on hand to organize your own items, so make sure to plan it in stylishly. To create a storage bench, turn a bookcase into smart storage that can sit at the end of your bed perfectly for basketfuls of beddings and shoes. Fitted storage is another option that, although might seem pricey, will be worth the investment. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.